everyone, I am JayaPriya, working as a science teacher in Government High School, Kattumalainur. Kattumalainur is a village about 16 kilometers from Thiruvannamalai main town in Tamil Nadu. Working as a science teacher in a village is a very challenging job. Children do not get expensive things to try out science activities. So my specialization is that I design activities to relate science to children's day-to-day life, to understand the concept using very simple things, low-cost materials. So I keep learning and I keep designing activities for every little concept for children so that they try out the experiments, they explore the concepts, they understand the concepts, and they also try to use the concepts for innovative findings. So this is how my class is. It's full of activities and they try out every concept. And I also encourage children to look out for science concepts in all the places they visit. Let it be the kitchen, let it be the playground, or let it be the school, or whatever activity they do, they have to look out for science. So building a scientific temper in children is what I do in class. For example, I tell them to go see in the kitchen whatever material is available. Like turmeric is a natural indicator. So when turmeric is added to something basic, it turns red. So I tell them, see, you can learn that concept there. So series connection, parallel connection, they can look out at their home itself. So this is how I try to relate every little concept to their day-to-day life. Cathode ray tube, they learn it very imaginatively, but they can see it in their old cathode ray tube televisions. So we bring a live cathode ray tube television in class to show them. So this is how children need to learn how science is applied in their day-to-day life so that they can use them and they can find new discoveries or inventions. So my class is all about activities using low-cost materials, understanding the concepts. Science is not about just learning the concepts, but it is about understanding the concepts and trying to apply them in our day-to-day life. So this is how I design my activities in class. That is what I aim in class. So the class, when you make children understand the concept at an early age, they can easily relate the concept to their day-to-day life. So starting from 6th graders till 10th graders, I always try to connect the concepts to their day-to-day life. That makes the class very interesting and very innovative. And every Inspire project I design is I ask the children to identify a problem and then find a solution on their own using whatever concepts they know. So every year, children from my school get selected for the Inspire Award. So this is how my class is.